Good afternoon, students. So, the task number 4, we discussed the types of pronouns and we also discussed noun and pronoun agreement. So, we also discussed the antecedent and noun. So, the agreement is based on gender. The agreement is based on person. The agreement is based on number. So let us look at the task number 4. Everybody in the lab was ready to complete their assignment. Is wrong sentence here, his or her assignment. So the second question here, sometimes students may want to prove dash grades in a particular course. Here sometimes students is a plural form, so it has to agree with the antecedent, that is there. If cars are not serviced regularly, they will consume more fuel. So they actual antecedent has to agree with cars. Cars is a plural one. He saw his professor in the library and decided to ask for some assistance. He saw his professor. So this is gender agreement. He saw his professor. No matter how Ravi tried, he could not execute the program. Ravi again is a gender, so it has to agree with the he. So this is a noun pronoun agreement and antecedent agreement. So based on gender, number and person. So now let us look at the another concept, that is what is called subject verb agreement. So task number 5, spot and correct the errors in these sentences. Let us look at the first sentence. The movie were a good watch, though at times the scenes was a bit dragging. The movie were a good watch. See here, the movie is a singular. It has to followed by singular verb. So the movie was, though at times the scenes is a plural form. It has to agree with the plural verb, that is verb. The second, coal are so cheap. Coal is a singular noun, so it has to followed by singular verb. Coal is so cheap that trying to generate electricity without which it would be economic suicide, especially for developing countries. A dragonfly keep itself airborne. No, a dragonfly keeps, because a dragonfly is a singular, a simple present, so it has to followed by singular verb. So this is how the subject verb agreement takes place. Now let us look at some of these. Do these errors have anything in common? How did you correct them? Yes, while working on these 3 sentences under task, you must have noticed that the verb in a sentence has to agree with the subject. The subject has to agree with the verb. If the subject is a plural, then it has to have plural verb. If the subject is singular, then it has to agree with the singular verb. So now let us look at some of the scenarios given based on subject verb agreement. The first scenario here, the noun has the same singular and plural forms. For example, some of the exceptional cases given here. For example, sheep, deer, species. Some of the questions. The restless sheep were herded into the pen. So here, the restless sheep is a plural context. When it comes to the other context, the sheep was lost. The sheep was lost is another context. In this second context, subject is singular and the verb also is singular because was. And in the first context, subject is plural and verb also is plural. Second scenario of subject verb agreement is some nouns appear to be plural but they are used as singular. For example, politics and mathematics. Mathematics is a compulsory subject. Mathematics is subject, it is followed by singular verb is. And though mathematics seems to be plural, it is not plural in actual context, it is singular. When it comes to politics, is not everyone's cup of tea. So politics seems to be plural, but in the actual context, politics is not plural, it is singular. And some nouns appear to be singular, but they should be used in plural form. For example, jeans, Caesars, everything. For example, uh, the pair of jeans belongs to me, and the jeans are too tight for me. So here you can understand. So singular verb is different. The pair, when you use the pair of jeans or pair of scissors, then that is singular. But when you use the actual words, the jeans are too tight for me, in this context, plural form. So we need to understand. And compound subjects are important. So compound in the sense when two words are combined with a conjunction called and. For example, Mickey and Donald, Ram and Sham. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck are the best friends. So when we use the compound conjunctions, we should use plural form. And there is exceptional case: Prime Minister and Chief Minister. Prime Minister and Chief Minister. This is a plural form. Prime Minister with Chief Minister, singular verb. So this is the difference is there. Compound subjects connected by and, which suggest one idea to the mind. For example, bread and butter, time and tide. In this context, singular. Bread and butter is a popular breakfast item, and time and tide waits for no man. So this is another exceptional case of subject verb agreement. And one of the subjects joined by or nor. David or his brothers. Either David or his brothers are going to the party. Either David's brothers or David is going to the party. So there is a difference. We need to understand the close connection between subject and verb. We have collective nouns: orchestra, band. The orchestra is going to perform before a live audience. So here singular verb. And some of the collective nouns in plural form: the jury is unanimous in its decision, singular. The jury differ in their opinions, the second context. So contextual usage is very important. Singular or plural depends on the context, and in the actual context, the subject has to agree with the verb. If the subject is considered as a singular, then it has to have singular verb. If the subject is plural, then it has to agree with plural verb. Difference is there. Some of the examples given in the task number 6 are based on subject verb agreement. That is, emergencies is by their nature unexpected events and require a prompt and proper response. Here you can understand. Emergencies are, because emergencies is a subject here, and emergencies is a subject now, subject plural. When the subject is plural, then it has to be followed by plural verb. Then emergencies are by their nature unexpected events and requires, again wrong sentence, because require is a simple present tense. Lungs does not have any muscles. Lungs is a plural form, so we should use lungs do not have any muscles. And chest makes, muscles in the chest make the lungs expand. So muscles here, muscles again is a plural form, so we have to have simple present. So in the simple present we use V1 for plural form. Certain days of the week and selected times of a day is better than others, because here again compound sentence here. Certain days of the week and selected times of a day. So these two are connected by and, so it has to be followed by plural verb or. People has been on the move. People, again plural form. People have been on the move. And the bouquet of roses were probably the most meaningful gift. Now the bouquet of roses was. Be here, the subject is not roses, the subject is bouquet. So that is the reason why here the subject is was. The verb is was. So this is how the subject verb agreement takes place. Now some of the common errors. Correct the errors in these sentences. Neither the project manager nor his assistant are attending the meeting. Wrong sentence, because here neither nor case we need to understand whether singular or plural. Here neither the project manager nor his assistant is, because it is his. Logistics are not my area of expert. Logistics are not my expert is a wrong sentence. Logistics is not my area. these pillars is not strong enough for the job. These pillars are. The committee have decided. The committee has decided. They does not know the reason for the postponement. They do not know. They do not know. Printers and scanners need regular need here, because printers and scanners is a plural one, and the 7 habits of highly effective people has been written because it's the name of the book. Each of the employees has been Conjuring 2 was were one of the scariest films. No, Conjuring 2 was one of the scariest films. So this is how subject verb agreement takes place. We'll discuss other concepts in the next video. Thank you.